I, Thandi Ruth Modise,
swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
I, Thembisile Simelane Nkadimeng,
Swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
Laba ngongqongqoshe ababili babesele kufungisweni kulandela isimemezo sezinguquko kuCabinet esenziwe ngumengameli wezwe ngesonto elidlule. Wayengusomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke uThandi Modise ungena eminyangweni obuphethwe nguNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula. uModise ishoshovu se-MK wasebenza njengephini likaNobradley we-ANC kusuka ngo-2007 kuze kube u-2012 waba nankundunankulu wase-North West. Wesule esikhundleni sakhe ngomsombuluko. Uthi ayikho inkinga mayelana nokuqoka kwakhe ekubeni ngungqongqoshe esengusomlomo wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke.
The Constitution does not prohibit the President to take us. Remember, members of Parliament, the Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, Chairperson of the NCOP and so on, are public representatives voted for under the ticket of a particular party. The head of that party and the head of state. By the way, the head of state means that he oversees all three arms of state and can command and instruct any of us. And it is in that spirit that my appointment was made.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe uThembi Nkadimeng akafike ezindabeni zohulumeni bezindawo. Ngo-2014 wayeyimeya yasePulukwane wasebenza njengomengameli kanye nephini lenhlangano yohulumeni bezindawo iSalcom. Uthi okuseqhulwini kuye ukusebenzela abantu bakulelizwe ngokuthumela izidingo nqangi emphakathini.
Main mandate is to ensure that I entrench a district development model across the spectrum of government in a cooperative manner, but then secondly to ensure accountability and proper service delivery quality, which is what our people deserve.
Kusenjalo uMapisa Nqakula uqokwe njengosomlomo wesishayamthetho emhlanganweni wenguyazana ye-ANC ePhalamende. Ukuqokwa kwakhe kugxeke kakhulu amaqembu ombusazwe ePhalamende.